This is to notify all of you that if you are not testing my line directly, that just to see you are in the hands of a scammer. I got so many messages whereby someone else used my channel to scam others. Please, I'm not in support, and I will never do such a thing. I will never scam you. Even if you have any complications in the software, I will always make sure I make it up to you. So I beg you in the mighty name of Jesus, or the God that you are serving, that is the number that you have to message. Don't go to anybody's Telegram. Don't go to anybody's TV channel. You understand? Yeah? Just message the number that you have on the screen. Message the number you have on the screen. I will put my number on the screen. Kindly message me from there. God bless you as you do that. Please like, share, and follow this.